Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. Welcome to the Eddie and Mandy channel. It's your boy
Eddie
and your girl Mandy. Today I'm coming to you guys with my natural hair. But anyway, this besides the point. What are we doing today, babe?
We are trying to make the flaming hot Cheeto puffs / cheese puffs chicken tenders.
So we have our we have all our ingredients in front of us. We have the chicken strips and the crushed up chips with the oil and stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I have seasoned the
Chicken
strips. So next we're gonna go on oil our pan. Okay, you guys. So the hot ones we added more peppers and stuff. We got some red crushed pepper and some cayenne. And
this how that bad boy supposed to look. Damn, no man. What's happening, E&M crew? About to drop y'all a little before preview of their little scripts, and you know, hope y'all like the way it look on the before, cause they looking pretty good to me. Look at all that crunchiness, y'all. Look good on the orange one. Look like regular chicken script on y'all. It's gonna be crunched. The red one look like some fireball. I don't know, y'all. But we gonna try. We gonna try after we cook it. After we cook it.
so you guys, this is the final result.
Yummy, yummy.
This looks delicious. Can't wait to taste it.
Gracias, mundo.
So you guys, that's all we have for today. Those junks were, how they taste, baby?
Bustin', like my baby say. They was very
Bursting. They were bursting. They were busting. Yeah, they were busting. I can't even say it country.
Burst.
They were busting. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get y'all some meat.
Make y'all some.
Go get it. Y'all know it tastes good, just like.
Don't beat your chest on.
Okay.
No, that's all we have for today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and comment down below. It's coming down below. My tweets look like some worms a little bit. But comment down below. Let us know what type of videos you guys want to see. So we're pretty much out of here.